Hi everyone. So I'm going to test my mixture of colors. Now they're streaming off like they should be, but I want to test them first. So I have these colors, then it goes a little darker, a little darker, a little darker, a little darker. These are the colors I'm going to pour with. Now the colors you see here are all mixed from Winsor and Newton Galeria. So it's a lot of yellows and a lot of titanium with Naples yellow. It's orange with this color. Then it's burnt sienna. It is Van Dyke brown and all sorts of mixtures from those colors. Now what I want to do is just test to see if it's going to do what I think it's going to do. So I'm layering them in the cup, as you can see. Going from light to dark. And I think I'd like a dark layer in between because I want some contrast. Then I'm going to do this color. And then I'm going to end with the darker color. I made some more of this color because I think that's going to be, well, let's put some more light in there. Okay. Now put them away. There you go. And then I'm going to see what it does when I pour it. Now I'm going to do a little feather pour. And it's going to come out like that, and then I'm going to open it up like that. Now that is really pretty. I just want it to move down a little bit. There it is. Make it a little bigger. Now the idea I had with these is that I'm going to cut out these sort of a oval shapes, and I'm going to put that on a cradled canvas, wooden canvas, and then I'm going to see if we can get something really pretty out of it. So I'm going to do another one. Well, you can't really see that, can you? Nope. But I'm sorry, but I have to pour it like this. Now this one will have more of the yellows and the lighter colors, as you can see. There you go. And then we're going to open it up, let it come down a bit. That one I think is not as pretty as the other one, but you can't all have pretty pours, but they do, you know, have the same sort of look to it. And of course when I do some more, they'll have the same colors and we can mix and match and do all kinds of things. So I just need a couple more. I also need a couple of small ones, so I'm gonna layer it up again. A light color, a little bit darker, and the brown, and I'll need some of this and a little bit of the Selim color, then a little bit of the dark, and we'll go for the lighter color. Let's see. There we go, let it come down and then open it up. This one needs a little bit more. There you go. I think this is gonna make something really pretty because I like the how it goes around, so it'll have the illusion of, when I cut them, it's going to have the illusion that it's 3D, I hope. So now I need a couple of small ones. Let's see. That's number one. That's a nice one. And they also sort of remind me of, I don't know, one of those little things that live underwater with the little legs and they float on by. So we're going to keep that one. Now I need something with a little bit more intense color. And in this mixture, it's a lot of PVA glue, it's a pouring medium, and let's see, pouring medium, a little bit of Floetrol, but absolutely no silicone, because you don't need silicone to do one of these feather pours. A lot of noise in my in front of my house, if you can hear it. Let's do that one, because this is a really nice and dark one. And open it up. I think that's more than enough. I'm running out of room here, but I do need to keep them because, let's see, two big ones, then a medium one, and I have two small ones. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Usually when you put something like this on a canvas, you want to go for uneven numbers because that's how it works. Usually when you buy flowers, it'll go 5, 7, 9, and then after 11 you can do whatever you want. I think I've told you this before, but that's because that's kind of nice too. We've had we did sell flowers once, like a century ago, and that's how they taught us how it works. Now I need to keep some paint left over because I want to do a canvas pour with the same colors. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that yellow, a little bit of the light, come back with the burnt sienna, and come back with the Van Dyke brown. Now let's do another. Let's do one down here and then one up on top. Let's see if that works. 2, 3, 4, up, and do the other. Okay, let's see if this works. Doing a double dip. Oops, that one has to come down a little bit. That's okay, that one can go up a little bit. And then open it up. That looks cool. There you go. So now we have a bunch of these to choose from. I might skip this one because of that. This one's a little blah. These all have the nice feathery things going on, and this one doesn't, so I might just skip this. Although I do think it's pretty, but maybe we can do something else with it. Like that. Let's see. Getting a little sticky here. Letting it come together again. Because I'm always looking for ways to making something that looks beautiful in a pendant or something like that. I think I could work with this a little bit down here. We'll keep it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.